Introducing the 2020 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This Yukon XL comes in dark sapphire blue with the cocoa shell perforated leather seats. Options on this Yukon include power retractable running boards, 22-inch wheels, power sunroof, and there's your iconic Denali grille right there. Got your power door locks, power windows, and power mirrors, which also include a one-touch fold option. You got to squeeze into those tight parking spaces. Memory seating, 10-speaker Bose system. You got your heads-up display, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller. Then you've also got buttons for your parking assist, lane keep assist, and your running boards along with adjustable pedals. And we'll come back to the driver's seat in a minute. Now with your Yukon XL Denalis, you do get your 3-prong household plug-in port, second row heated seats, as well as rear AC controls. Got a power rear hatch. And you can also control the rear seats for added cargo space. And then you can also fold the second row seats. Here, if you want to pull the seats up, you just pull on this hatch right here. You can either fold it or pull it up from right here. And here's your passenger power seat. Both of your front seats are going to be heated and cooled. Got a power tilt and telescoping wheel. It's your push button start. And from behind the wheel, you can control your radio. Whether you can do the volume on the right side up and down, or skip tracks on the left side up and down. There's your navigation. Backup camera. You can control your AM, FM, XM radio. You've got Bluetooth audio. And then with your Sirius XM weather, you can also take a look at the temperature throughout the day. Or you can take a look at the map, and it'll tell you if there's any rain coming, any storm systems, things of that nature. You've also got a traffic map here, so you can put in your destination, and then it'll tell you the different ways to get there and how long the time will be to get there. And then if you've got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can project it on the screen as well. Dual zone climate control, as well as rear climate control. Like I said, heated and cooled seats, wireless charging, power sunroof. Control your OnStar from your rear mirror. Then you have got your universal home remote. Power hatch you can control from the driver's seat as well. Got ample room for your phone. Also a couple cups. And with the seats folded flat, you've got a huge amount of storage in the back. Then you've also got your digital gauge cluster right here. And then your heads-up display. All right. And next we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. And just within the parking lot, it's got a very, I don't feel like I'm driving a huge bus like most people think you would driving a Suburban or a Yukon XL. Steering is very precise, yet smooth. And this has a 6.2 V8 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. So I'm going to go ahead and see how it drives just out the gate. I'm going to go ahead and give it some gas, see what kind of power it has. Pretty quick. Not bad at all. And the 6.2 just feels really, really beefy. And it sounds so good. Let's go ahead and try it again out this corner. See what kind of fuel mileage I'm getting. Definitely sucking gas, but it's kind of what comes with more power. Alright, I'm gonna take it on the interstate. It's crowded out, so I'm not gonna be able to open it as much as I'd like. But very good power, like I said. And I can't stop bragging enough about these 10-speed automatics. They shift so smooth. See if I can get over. It's a pretty chilly morning, but wind noise is not at all bad. It's very quiet in here. It's not Escalade quiet, but it's pretty close. And with it being such a high ride, I do feel, a little unsteady, but I still know that I feel controlled. Like, I feel like I'm in control of the vehicle. Decent braking. It is very heavy. You can feel how heavy this vehicle is, but it's a Yukon XL, so I wouldn't expect anything less. Seats are very comfortable. After this light, I'm going to go ahead and stick it in manual mode and see kind of how it drives with that on. And even with the 6.2 V8, it's still very, very quiet in the cabin. So GM did a good job making sure that you're not hearing the rumble of it like in the past years. It still has a presence though. Of course, shifts in the manual mode are not precise. I mean, that's kind of how the vehicle was made though. You know, it shifts when it wants you to shift, basically. Like, I've got control, but I don't have, it's not like driving a stick, of course. And it kind of shifts when it wants to, even when I'm shifting it manually. But it's to save fuel mileage and keep you from over-revving. Let's see what kind of gas mileage I get on this back road to cruise. And we're gonna do just 43. And the cylinder deactivation is on, so it's only running 4 cylinders, and I'm getting 20-21 miles a gallon, which is not great. This Yukon XL does have magnetic ride control, so I'm going to see how it takes this bump coming up. Not bad. I think the Cadillac XT6 so far is taking that bump better than any other vehicle. It wasn't a rough bump, but I mean, it could have been better. And from the instant fuel economy, fuel mileage is not the best by any means, like I said, but I mean, if you're light with the pedal, you can get pretty okay gas mileage out of this thing. But if you're not, you are going to go through some gas. These 6.2 liter V8s are thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. And I expect the new Yukons and Yukon XLs to be out in 2021 or 2022. And I'd keep a lookout for auto stop on those models, as this 2020 does not have it. And there you have the 2020 GMC Yukon XL.